Hey guys, it's Carrie. Lots of interesting snakes today. Eastern diamond rattlesnake is a species of venomous pit viper in the family Viperidae. When they flick their sensitive tongue, they are actually tasting, feeling and smelling. Green anaconda. The diameter of their body can be up to 12 inches or 30 centimeters. I'm going to take a look under the rocks. An albino cobra and an albino Burmese python. Red-bellied black snake and a boa constrictor. Boa constrictor are one of the largest snakes in the world, along with a reticulated python and anaconda. Albino Burmese python. What a beautiful looking snake. This is a very rare snake. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. After seizing prey, they squeeze it tight until it suffocates. Blue coral snake. The blue coral snake is known for having a distinct red head, tail and belly. Adults can grow to be almost 6 feet or 2 meters long. White cobra. They would have trouble because they don't have any camouflage. It would expose them to predators and enemies and make it hard for them to ambush prey. Red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. Cobra. All of the known cobras are venomous and many are capable of rearing upwards and producing a hood when threatened. This is a cool snake. It bends. Where the 2 holes are, you can bend it at those points. The length of the body can be straightened out as well. I like it in the sitting position, ready to strike. Courtship rituals vary according to the species. King cobras are snake eaters, so the female spreads her hood and coils rapidly to show males that she is not a prey item. Sidewinder. Coral snake. Corn snake. Amazon tree boa. It is a non-venomous boa species found in South America. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. Sidewinder rattlesnake. It's a species of venomous pit viper that uses a sidewinding motion to move across the sand. Corn snake is a North American species of rat snake that subdues its small prey by constriction. With reproduction, the male snake flicks his sensitive tongue to determine if a female is sexually receptive. Once found, he will move against her, caress and coax her to lift her tail to access her genital area or cloaca. Male snakes are equipped with 2 penises known as hemipenes and can use either to mate, locking them in place to ensure that the male stays attached to the female until his sperm is released. A mating pair may remain entwined for hours. Burmese python. Burmese python is one of the 5 largest snakes in the world and can reach weights of up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. A snake uses its forked tongue and multiple receptors to pick up different amounts of chemical cues. Chain king snake, rough green snake, cobra hatchling, and king cobra. The cobra, when threatened, their ribs expand to make a hood. They make a loud, low hissing noise, and they can spit venom up to 8 feet. Baby snakes are called hatchlings or neonates. Once older but still immature, they're called a juvenile. Rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbred. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. Chain king snake is a harmless colorbred species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favorite amongst collectors. I need to make some more room. Green anaconda is a member of the boa family and is the largest and heaviest known snake, not necessarily the longest. Yellow ball python. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. And here's some of my favorite snake clips. Cobra, corn snake, water snake, yellow ball python, see you guys in my next video.